So hi everyone, today we are going to discuss another problem, that is remove smallest. Okay, so let's read our problem statement. You are given an array consisting of n positive integers greater than 0. Then we have given some conditions. In one move you can choose two indices I and j such that they should be not same, and that the absolute difference between those element ai and ajth should be less than equals to 1. In that case we can remove the smallest of two elements, and our task is to find if we can get a single element in an array after removing or after applying these operations. We can apply these operations 0 time or more than 1 or like required time. So this is our input and output. We need to print yes if we can get that possible array, and if we will not get, then we can simply return no. So let's try to write on some examples. Like in our last one we have only one element, so this is our task. We need to find only one element or left with only one element, so we can simply return yes. In the first one the absolute difference between two will be 0, so we have satisfied this condition. We can remove anyone. Suppose we have removed 2, then we will see in these two pairs we will have absolute difference of 1. This is also satisfying our condition, so we can remove any one element and we will left with 1 or 2. As we have to remove the smallest, so we will left with 2. So this is how we are going to solve. So our initial thought process will be like, we can sort our array, so we will have in ascending order, and then we can see the consecutive difference of pairs, and if any pair have consecutive difference or the absolute difference that will be greater than 1, so we have violated our main condition and we will simply return false. If not, then we can return yes. So let's try to write code for this. We will have input, then for we have gen input, and we have our a. Let's take list So now let's sort, and then we will iterate through our array for I in range n, and simply check if our ith or ai minus 1 element is greater than 1. Okay, so for this we can also add a flag. So we, like, let's say okay is initially we will set as true. So this is our violating condition where we need to return false. So let's say our OK equals to false. And now we will see, we will simply, if OK, we will return print. Okay, for we will print yes, else just print no. So this is how we are going to solve this problem. I hope you have got an idea. Thank you.